Cooking is not only an art, but sometimes also an adventure full of surprises and laughter. From dropping eggs on the floor to turning dishes into works of art that no one dares to try, fun cooking moments always bring joy and unforgettable memories. Let's explore funny stories in the kitchen together and see who is the super chef in these ironic situations. When the wife enthusiastically cooks for her husband and makes fresh fish like this, the husband also has to apologize for taking away this wonderful meal of hers. When you're not a good cook, but you have great skills, difficult things become easy. It's just that this skill makes the husband a little timid and has to find a way not to eat the rice his wife cooks. And imagine cooking delicious dishes like this for your husband. He will be very happy. It's just that this fish is a bit active, making her scared to go into the kitchen. I suddenly wanted to make a love meal for my husband, but it didn't seem to go the way I wanted.
Oh my God! Wow!
The first time he helped his mother cook, his mother told him to cook a bowl for each person. But his bowl was different from hers. As a result, he had to invite the whole village to have dinner with him. When you're angry at your husband but still have to cook, just looking at her makes you feel scared. The husband probably has to go quickly comfort his wife.
None of that matters.
And one day she told her mom to let she cook, but I just didn't know if she was cooking or shooting off fireworks.
No.
The wife accidentally turned on the stove too loudly. The husband immediately grabbed the child and ran away. After the meal, the husband will immediately know his wife's hand. I was craving donuts, so I went into the kitchen and made my own. The top part is fine, but the bottom part is completely black. The chef wholeheartedly teaches the students, but when the students actually do it, it's something new. The chef can only laugh at the students. When his wife told him to go to the kitchen to cook, but the ending was not so smooth, the husband could only helplessly eat the burned portion. With good skills, but bad luck, he was surprised to lose his dinner.
I want to break free.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
This is a picture of my best friend who later returned to her husband's house. It's a little hard to see, but it looks okay. Dinner started with a pan of delicious noodles, but the quality of the dishes at his house was not very good. The guy had no choice but to order food from outside.
Oh, hell no!
The girl tried to learn how to make seafood dumplings, but the seafood seemed to be very fresh, so fresh that she could resell the seafood. She couldn't wait to show off to her family that she had just learned how to make steamed eggs. When she opened the pot, the husband came home from work early to watch his wife cook, but when he saw her skills, he burst into tears, bitterly feeling his wife's finished product.
Stop! No.
One day, while showing off her cooking skills, She accidentally added too much salt, but she found a way to change it, but did not achieve the expected effect. My uncle told me to show you my skills, but the ending was a bit of a flop and he lost his dinner.
Oh, you suck.
The group of sisters in the kitchen never ceases to amaze us. I don't know if she's cooking or doing magic. If her mother-in-law saw this, she would cry. The wife showed off her cooking skills and taught her husband, which the husband did, alarming the wife. As a result, the couple suffered burns to their hands and a sandal hit the husband in the face.
Got him!
The girl went into the kitchen to fry eggs for the whole family to eat, but accidentally dropped the bowl into the pan. Seeing the scene, the girl's mother must have been very helpless. The little girl was baking cakes with her father when her father surprised her by wrapping her hair in a machine. This little girl probably won't dare go into the kitchen with her dad anymore. The chef was showing off his skills to customers when suddenly the plate of food caught fire, startling him and throwing the entire tray onto the street. As a result, he could only smile brightly to look less homely. What else could he do? Her dough stirring skills made her close friend who was filming laugh. No one would have expected her to have such superb brass turning skills. Having just learned the skill of flipping eggs, she immediately filmed a video showing off her talent, but unexpectedly threw them all out of the room. Maybe she just learned it once and then filmed it right here. She had just cooked a pan of delicious egg pizza and was happily placing it on the plate when she accidentally spilled it on the table. So the whole cooking session went to waste. She could only laugh it off. So today's video ends here. If you find it interesting and useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to be the first to watch our next videos. And now ... hello, and see you in the next video.